What's up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here. In this video, I'm showing off the grand prize for the GIGA GAW, and also I'm going to unbox a package that I got from Vein of Gold and Silver. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This one's going to be sort of two things in one video here. We're going to talk about the GIGA GAW, which is coming up tomorrow. You're not going to want to miss that, so lots more information on that. And then also I'm going to open up this package I got from Vein of Gold and Silver, or VOGAS. He recently did a channel review for me, and he sent me this stuff sort of as like a thank you. Really awesome guy. We're going to talk about that in a sec. So let's kick it off with this beauty right here. So this is the grand prize for the GIGA GAW. Now we're doing GIGA GAW part 2. Part 1 was absolutely insane. We gave away a ton of silver as well as a 10th ounce of gold. And that was on a live stream here on my channel, the Coast to Coast Show. Well, we do the Coast to Coast Show every other Thursday now. Okay, so tomorrow is the next one, and it's actually on Yankee Stacking's channel. So if you're not subscribed to Yankee Stacking yet, definitely do so. I'll put a link to his channel down below in the description of the video, so you can make sure that you actually show up to the live stream for a chance to win this, because the only way to enter to win this is actually during the live stream. Now it's completely free. There's nothing you have to do rather than just show up and chat, and good luck on this beauty right here. So let's take a look at the other side. Now I poured this myself. This is 6.9 ounces of 999 fine silver. I got my dragon right there, and it's stamped GIGA GAW because, you know, it's a massive giveaway. We're not giving away just this. We're giving away a ton of other awesome prizes, but this is the grand prize. So it was originally 7 ounces when I first poured it, and when I sort of cleaned it up, we lost about 1/10 of an ounce, but that's okay. It's still a beautiful, gorgeous grand prize, and this is going to go to one lucky person. So the live stream, again, is tomorrow on Thursday. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Time if you live over on the East Coast of America. It's on Yankee Stacking's channel, and there's going to be a ton of giveaways. This will be the grand prize. So super, super gorgeous. I poured this on my Monday night pour party on the last one. It was an open sand cast. And those parties are super fun. If you haven't been to one of those, I actually do them every other Monday. Next one's going to be on the 26th, and I pour lots of silver live. So definitely check out one of those. And one more look at the front, or the obverse here. Now, this is actually gilded in 24 karat gold. So I did 2 layers of gilding here, and this is pure silver bar and then pure gold gilded on top. So really, really gorgeous piece. I'm super excited to see who's going to win this thing. So much fun to make it, but it's going to be even more fun to give that away. So that's going to be awesome. Don't miss that. You do not want to miss it. Now let's get to this package here. So Vein of Gold and Silver, VOGAS, my friend. I got this in the mail, and I just instantly opened it. I couldn't wait. I was so excited. So let's break into this and see what you sent me. Now, if you haven't checked out Vein of Gold and Silver, definitely do so. I'll put a link to his channel as well in the description of this video. Really awesome guy. He's got some great videos. His channel review of my channel was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for that, my friend. Great review. And also he talked about the Libertads from Mexico. So if you want to learn about those and the eagle on them, as well as the eagle from the American Silver Eagle, he talked about that a little bit as well. So let's get into this package. Oh, and I will say the first thing that came out was a Starbucks double shot espresso. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited to drink that. Thank you so much. He knows I love the energy drinks. That will keep me going. Maybe I'll crack that during the Coast to Coast show tomorrow. I think I will. I will crack this tomorrow during the Coast to Coast show, VOGAS. So, look at all this stuff he sent me. Super generous guy. I'm going to take a look at the note here first, and then we'll break in all this stuff. So he says, my friend, here is your sub 2,207. So he was my 2,207th sub. That's very, very cool. We're well on our way now up to the big 10K. But you got on the boat early, so very awesome. He says, doing all this jazz just to say thanks a lot for being my sub number 17. Awesome. So I was his 17th sub. So I got on early on the VOGAS train. I think he's up to 220 or something like that. But let's try and subscribe to his channel, everyone watching, and get him up to 250 subscribers. That would be really, really cool. So he says, LOL. I love your channel, man. And thank you for being part of my project called Channel Review and Shoutouts. Which I believe is one of the best ways to support each other. So here is your present and joke, my friend. Okay. 4 eagles for each member of your family. 2, 1, and 1 for you. 1 can to the bottle drop center. Okay. And the best part for the doggy. Okay, I'm planning a trip to Portland to visit some LCS and Bottle Drop Center, wishing to be able to get an account card from them. Your friend from Seattle, Vein of Gold and Silver. Awesome, my friend. So he's saying he's got some eagles in here. I think I see them right here. And, you know, I got my wife and my 3 kids, so each of us can have an eagle. That's so very, very cool. It's awesome to be stacking for the kids as well, but great presents, my friend. And he knows that I take my bottles to the Bottle Drop Center, so this is going to be an extra 10 cents as well, which will go towards the stack. So very, very cool. And he sent some stuff for my dog, too, so look at all this stuff here. Crazy. Oh, and look at this. Catnip joint. That's awesome. Made with organic hemp paper. Very, very cool. I'm sure my dog will love that. Maybe it'll help chill him out. And for anyone wondering, this isn't actually real marijuana. It's just a joke. But let's take a look at this here. Okay, so, oh my gosh, look at these eagles. VOGAS, you really outdid yourself. Oh, and there's some other stuff in here too. No way. Oh my gosh. Okay, VOGAS, let's look at these eagles first. Check these beauties out. Wow, 2012. Brilliant uncirculated American silver eagle right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. That is such a great gift. Wow, he knows I love the eagles. This is a 2015. Eagles are the base of my stack. That is what I'm working on right now. That is super, super cool. Let's see what this one is here. 2011, awesome. I just completed a tube of 2011s recently. That's very, very cool. And we got another 2011, very awesome. Another gorgeous eagle, awesome, awesome. And there's one last one here. This one is a 2016, very, very cool. Well, thank you so much, my friend. 5 eagles, that's absolutely really, really awesome. I'm gonna have to, you know, obviously share the love with my family and add to their stacks. So that is so cool of you to send me those. And then let's show these off here too. Oh my gosh, we have a 1921S, very fine. So this is a gorgeous wheat scent here. Look at that. Really, really cool. I do not have this one. I'll have to add this one to my penny book. You know, he did such a great channel review of mine. He watched every single one of my videos, so he even knows which coins I'm missing out of my penny book. So a 21S, that is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. Really, really cool gift. And let's take a look at this one here. Oh my gosh. It's a 1878 Indian head. Oh, VOGAS. Oh my gosh. Good condition, but you know what? It doesn't even matter on these Indian heads. 1878. That is a better date. These are really hard to find. So this is a, you know, a fairly expensive coin, a little bit of a numismatic value for sure on this one. What a great gift. Thank you so much. Indian heads are my favorite coins to collect. That's actually how I got started. Stacking silver and everything, just collecting coins, and wow, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to add this one to my book. 1878. I definitely know I don't have that one either. Really, really cool. Thank you so much, VOGAS. Everyone, if you're still watching, you got to subscribe to VOGAS. Such a great guy. Look at all this stuff. This is really cool here too. Look, United States of America, 1 cent. Wow, 1878. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. What a nice little keychain. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Super, super cool. And then he's got the stuff for my dog here. Looks like another doggy treat. Some popcorn. I think this is for the dog. I think this is like doggy popcorn too. That's really, really cool. And then he's got some other stuff here too. Check these out. Oh, yes. Yes, some pig ears. He'll definitely love those. Oh, very cool. And we got one more thing here. Looks like a Pioneer Pet feed and supply. Another, my dog is just getting all the love here too. Oh yes, it's a little doggy donut. That is so cool. Wow, Vogus, you really outdid yourself, my friend. So many awesome things. My dog is going to be stoked. My family's going to be stoked. They all get an eagle. I'm stoked. I got some more coins, an eagle, a cool keychain, and another can, and an energy drink. I'm going to crack this for sure tomorrow during the Coast to Coast show. Thank you so much, Vogus. Seriously, my friend. Awesome, awesome gifts. You rock. Everyone make sure to subscribe to him. And also make sure to subscribe to Yankee Stacking because you're not going to want to miss your chance to win this beautiful piece of silver tomorrow on the Coast to Coast show. This is the GIGA GAW Part 2. And one more look here at the reverse. Oh, I had so much fun stamping this one and getting it all that nice hammered finish. I think it turned out gorgeous. So I'm really excited to give that one away tomorrow. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.